Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay?
Hey y'all, my name is Lena, and if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're coming back, welcome back. As you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing a quick and easy wig install. Very detailed, very simple for all of my beginners. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to come join the family, because if you're not a part of the family, what are you doing? So I'm going to be starting with some holding spray. My choice is got to be glue. You can use whatever your preference is. And I'm going to get a hard brush and brush my edges away from my face to mold them back with my blow dryer on cool air. Once we have those edges molded into place, we're going to go ahead with our cap. We're going to mold that into place as well with the same holding spray, again with our blow dryer on cool air. Whatever we do to one side, we will do to the other side. Once we have that cap into place, we're going to go in with our razor or scissors, whichever is your choice, to cut the excessive cap off. And then we're going to clean our hairline. We're also going to get some foundation or concealer, whichever is your choice, the one that is closest to your skin tone, and put that on your cap. And then wipe your hairline again with some more alcohol. The same brush you use to put that makeup on your cap, you're going to go ahead and put that on the inside of your wig and also on the outside. Spray it with some holding spray, blow dry it, and then we're going to go ahead with our first layer of glue. So depending on how many layers you would like or how much you sweat, is how many layers of glue you would use. I personally use 4 because I sweat often and I would like for my wig to stay on for at least 2 weeks. Once I get that last layer on, I will go ahead and put my wig on, make sure it's in place. Once my wig is in place and secured, I go ahead with my band for the first time for 30 minutes. Let it sit. Once I'm finished, take it off. Go ahead and cut that excess of lace off so that I can see my hairline clearly. An addiction we won't end. Baby, you should know this. I ain't going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. I know you noticed I've changed, but I'll be the one. Once we have that extra lace off, I go ahead and pull out my edges, and then I go in with some holding spray, and then I put my band back on for another 30 minutes. And once the 30 minutes is up, I go ahead and take that band back off And this is the part where I begin to style. Make sure I put some wax on my hair. Use my hot comb to make sure that it's flat. Take off any extra baby hairs that I do not want, as well as plucking if I need to in any areas, as you all can see.
Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that bap up a smash. Real nigga alert up, clearing the bag. Piping a bitch and ain't then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't move a pen. Trapping no rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on your bitch and I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit.
So for today's style, I'm doing a push over with wand curls on this curly wig. And yeah, so from this point out, you're gonna just be seeing me wand curl piece by piece until the final product. I hope you all enjoy and stay tuned for the final look.
We keeping it street, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gonna get beat. You still gonna get beat. How much it costs?
Said I'll be going down. Oh, I don't know what to do if I ever lose you. Early in the morning, late at night, don't even know what time it is. Alright, wait. Go back on time, it's okay. You pray for my demons, though I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get home. Annoying the sound of the storm when it comes. You understand, I can't take it everywhere, nigga, come. I can make it feel like children on the phone. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Can't mad at your selfish, ain't leaving you alone. Got to stand back, blame what we come.
And of course, my baby wanted to say hi and make her grand entrance. So I'm not even gonna lie to you all, the install itself is pretty quick and easy, but if you're gonna be doing wand curls, this style in particular with the curly wig, it is very time consuming, but you all can get through it, trust me.
I gotta do better, take my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on the line, so you score like a villain. You can take it back to it, keep you on the river. Master say a little, but I know that y'all feel it. Why you introduce us if you know that you will? Maybe shake his hand, we got the fucking for a minute. Call me on the plane, cause you know that I'm fun. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in the jail. Girl, put a muscle on it, all that barking up again. I was fucking with you, yeah, at the time of presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not an influencer. Cause I'm not the one that's mad for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Got something messages that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Driving around the world. On the phone, grabbing pills. I can move all around you, girl. When you tell me that ain't how you feel. It's for the real one, that's just what it is. Don't say it cause you know that's what I wanna hear. Early in the morning, late at night, you don't even matter what time it is.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This talking you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but they call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been all alone. But if you're alone, then
So now that we're down to the last curl, after this we're gonna go ahead and do our baby edges, which I don't have a lot. I took out majority of them and just left like 3. I believe I did 2 on one side and 1 on the other. I used some holding spray, got to be as well, to keep those edges molded and in place. And this is the final look. I hope you all really enjoyed today's video. I hope you love the style, the quick and easy installment that we did. I hope it was very detailed for all of my beginner girlies. And again, if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Come join the family, because if you're not a part of the family, then what are you doing? Come join the family. I love you all. I hope you all love me too. And again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Someone that could help me, because someone besides myself, and someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more, rush past I know more. Neither of us wanna